My name is Igho Ekakitie. I'm in International Relations and Human Rights major, and I'm a junior. Well, I've chosen to pursue my degree here at Webster University because for me, Webster University is a global university that gives you a global perspective of how the world looks like. And as an international relations major, study abroad is key for me and it's big. And Webster University gives you the opportunity to study abroad, and that's why I chose the school. I decided to transfer to Webster University because first of all, the small classroom size. I don't do well with crowd. So transferring from community college, the small classroom size of over 15 people in a class, it's what's worked for me. And of course, I was privileged and honored to get the Fight the Kappa full tuition scholarship. Yes, I will always recommend Webster University for prospective students. One, because of the culture of the school, and because of the people in the school, if in of itself, the professors, they want to see you succeed. Well, what sets Webster University apart from other institutions, I would say, is our study abroad program. You know, we have different campuses around the world, in Vienna, in Austria, in Geneva, in Accra, Ghana. So the opportunity to go experience this new place and new cultures is what sets us apart from other institutions in the country.